Hello guys, welcome to Tech Media, and on today's episode we will be learning on how to dissolve our Himalayan pink salt in order to eliminate all the unwanted substances. And as you know, this channel is all about learning. We do basic things that each and everyone can do by themselves. So welcome, let's learn together. As you can see, we have the Himalayan pink salt, and it has some harmful substances that are not required, which we will be trying to eliminate using different steps. We have a magnet. Make sure that your magnet is very clean. We have cleaned it. We will use the magnet to eliminate the magnetic materials. We also have our water in the red jar, which will be used to dissolve the salt so as to get a solution. We have a sufuria, which we'll be using to boil the solution in order to evaporate the boiling water and get the salt, the pure salt. And finally, we have a clean cloth. This will be used to eliminate the small materials that are not able to be eliminated using this sieve. And also we have a stirring rod, which we'll use to stir in order to dissolve our salt. Welcome, let's start. And we have our clean magnet. This is the one we'll be used to eliminate the magnetic materials. It is our very first step. As you can see, we've already eliminated the magnetic materials, the unwanted magnetic materials, which are metallic in nature. And now we are going to our second step. The second step will be to eliminate the huge materials using our sieve. You can see we are trying to sieve the huge particles, so as we will remain with the smaller particles. We've already sieved. As you can see, we have the remaining huge particles which cannot pass through the smaller holes. And now we go right direct to our third step. The third step, we will be using the water to dissolve the salt, and we will be stirring using the spoon, or rather the rod, so as to get a solution. Make sure that you stir vigorously until you acquire a very complete solution. Finally, we have a very nice solution, a complete solution, which we will be sieving using our clean cloth. Remember, we are using the cloth because it has a very small holes in which the minute particles cannot pass through. Let's use our cloth as the sieve. You will realize that most of the dirt will be left underneath there in our tin, but the smaller particles are right here on our cloth. You can see them, the small dirt. These are the smallest particles which cannot be sieved using the normal sieve, so we use the cloth, a clean cloth. Make sure that your cloth is clean. And finally, we will be boiling the solution in order to evaporate the water and remain with the required salt. Remember that when we were beginning the process, we used the magnet to eliminate these particles, which are the magnetic materials. And then on the second step, we used this sieve to eliminate the huge particles. And on the third step, we used this cloth, a clean cloth, to eliminate these smaller particles which cannot be eliminated using the normal sieve. And finally, we are boiling. As you can see, the water is boiling, is on the process. And after boiling, then we will evaporate the water and achieve our required salt. As you can see, most of the water has evaporated, and the remaining water, already we have our salt. Remember, this is the purest salt you can have. It is not iodized, it is the cleanest, the recommended one by the doctors. So after the total amount of water has evaporated while boiling, then we will finally have our salt. But already we have most of the salt here. We've acquired it during the process, and it is the very final process. So we've learned that when you have any substance that is soluble, and it is maybe contaminated or not in the order you want, you can dissolve it, clean it, so as to acquire a very clean product. And remember, this Himalayan salt, you can also sell it, repackage in a very orderly manner and sell it. Thank you for watching. Remember, this is a very educative channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please subscribe. Let us reach the 1,000 subscribers mark, and we thank you all. Thank you.